It's only been 2 weeks today. Hi! Thank you for stopping by to look at my hair journey. Now, I said I was going to record the next video within 2 months, just to show you where my hair was at, but I could not wait. It's only been 2 weeks today, and OMG! Why did I lock my hair? This is why. This is why. Best choice I've ever made. Last night, I decided to go ahead and braid my hair because it was looking kind of flat. I don't mind it. I love the stages of it. It shrunk a little bit, but you'll see in the video after this what what it looks like afterwards, and then showed myself braiding it. But I braided it into like 5 different plaits in my hair, and I actually did it dry. I didn't wet my hair. I just did it right before I went to sleep. It was just something I was watching on YouTube, and I was like, you know what? If I go to bed tonight, I'll just go ahead and braid it. So that's what I did. So when I woke up, well, as you'll see in the video, how curly and how much body it had. Now this is towards the end of the day that I'm doing this video, so it's lost a little bit of the fullness, but nevertheless, so if you want to get more information on how my hair is doing, I want you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I might be giving updates on maybe on a 2-week basis. Depends on how my time goes. But I really do want you guys to see. Like, this is 2 weeks after I did it. There's going to be a video of day 1 and day 3 and my 2 weeks. So you can see the progress. Now, some people say they don't see results or see length or that many changes within, a month, but I'm telling you, within 2 weeks, and I have fine, medium density hair. And so I follow a couple of people that kind of have the same hair texture as me, and same thing, they were saying that it was going to be shrinking. I didn't mind. I don't mind. I actually love the different stages that it's going through right now, and it's only been 14 days. Now, I'm not gonna make the video long because I just wanted to show you what has happened to my hair within 2 weeks. Upon doing my hair, I had it in Bantu knots, and so when I went to work the next day, it was pretty curly. So when I came home that evening, the curls had pretty much dropped. So what I did was, I didn't do the misting of the water onto my hair. What I actually did was put my hands in some water, had my hands damp a little bit, and I just kind of like ran it through my hair. And it swelled up a little bit because it was a little bit wet. It wasn't saturated, nor was it damp. It was just a little bit of water to keep my curls. I wanted to see them, and that's what all I've been doing. I have no oils in my hair because, again, I have fine hair and I didn't want it to fall. And my scalp doesn't get itchy or dry or anything. My regimen has been, I hate to say it, I don't wear a bonnet every night. I do have black satin pillows. So I've seen the videos and the reviews with the lint and whatever, and I do have a bonnet, but I don't like pressure or elastic around my hairline. But, if it's not in a ponytail when I go to bed, I plaited it, or I just honestly just wear it in 2 ponytails, and that's it. I kind of like wet my fingers in the morning and pull it out and kind of like let the curls do its thing. But that's all I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. I have not washed my hair. Maybe in about 2 more weeks will be 4 weeks, and I'll see if I need a retightening, and then I'll wash my hair. I don't have the type of scalp that has inflammation or has dandruff. If you have like dandruffy scalp or inflammation, and the kind of scalp that needs to be washed on a regular basis, then you go ahead and do that. There are many people out here who have their YouTube pages and can instruct you. But for now, I don't need to wash my hair like every 4 weeks. Sometimes I actually wash it every 6 weeks. And that's how I knew I could do microlocs, because even when I had braids, that's what I would do. But I'll keep you guys updated. I've stopped with the hands to the head. I had a problem with that. I don't do it as much. I still do it, but not as much. So enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in about 2 more weeks. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notifications. Well, that's it. You guys stay locked in, and I can't wait to see your hair journey, or if you have any advice for me, leave it in the comment section. I will be reading those. If y'all have any comments or have any questions, let me know. In the meantime, stay locked in.